I really like what Dave says in this lesson called Variables Can Vary, and I want to keep a record of the code that he writes in this video. So I'm actually just going to write it myself in my starter code file. And after I copy the code, I'm going to add some comments that tell me what this code is all about and why it's important. I think I'll even include a link to the video so I can go back and reference it later. In Python, you can add notes to a code file by using the pound symbol. Basically, that tells the computer to ignore everything on that line after the pound symbol. So this way I can write stuff that is meant for people to read instead of computers. When I come to a quiz node, I can choose to switch to my browser and answer the quiz in the Udacity classroom, or I can write my answer in my starter code file and just copy and paste it over when I'm ready to submit. I think I'll do that. That way I can keep a record of my quiz code just for my own reference. Awesome, I passed the quiz. If I ever want to see what any of my code does, I can easily do that in Sublime. All I have to do is go up to the menu bar, click Tools, and then go to Build. Or, as a shortcut, I can press Command B on Mac or Control B on Windows. When I click Build, a screen shows on the bottom of my Sublime window, and it shows the output of my code. Doing this often will really help me get into the habit of running my code, and it will help me a lot when I start working on big projects. Alright, this is looking pretty good. I'll save this file on my computer in a place where I'll keep all of my Intro to Programming Nanodegree starter code. Now I can easily open this file and check it out again if I forget any of this content or if I just want a reference to stuff that I've written before.